Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for honest reviews and in-depth product analysis. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best GM car stereo wiring harness on the market, the Scosche GM2000SWF Factory Stereo Replacement Interface Adapter. If you own a GM vehicle from 2000 to 2013, you know that replacing the factory stereo while maintaining full functionality can be a real headache. But with the GM2000SWF, Scosche has made it incredibly easy to retain all the features you love from your car's factory system, all while upgrading to a new aftermarket radio. So, why is this one of the best options for GM owners? Let's take a closer look. First, this wiring interface ensures you can hook up your new stereo to your vehicle's factory radio harness. Using the standard wire color codes for a simple installation, no need to be a car electronics expert to get the job done. As long as your car fits the list of supported models, you can rest easy knowing you won't run into compatibility issues. One of the standout features of the GM2000SWF is its ability to retain your car's steering wheel controls. That's right, you won't have to give up the convenience of adjusting volume, changing tracks, or controlling calls while keeping your hands on the wheel. It's a must-have for anyone who values safety while driving, and with this interface, you can keep those controls active without a hitch. Additionally, Scosche's GM2000SWF lets you maintain all your safety and warning chimes, which can sometimes be lost when replacing a factory stereo. This feature alone is a huge selling point for people who want a seamless integration with their vehicle, ensuring that everything continues to work as it should. The system is also designed to integrate with factory-amplified premium sound systems, so even after you upgrade your stereo, you can be confident that the audio quality will still be top-notch. But that's not all. The GM2000SWF includes a power adapter that provides a steady plus 12 volts accessory output, ensuring that your new stereo gets the consistent power it needs for optimal performance. This power adapter is also essential for a smooth and uninterrupted experience with your aftermarket radio, which is crucial for maintaining sound quality and system stability. It's also worth noting that the GM2000SWF is not designed for OnStar compatibility, so if you rely on that feature in your vehicle, this might not be the right choice. Additionally, it does not work with digital, premium Bose sound systems that come with certain GM vehicles, which you'll need to keep in mind before purchasing. When it comes to compatibility, this harness is designed to work with a wide range of GM vehicles. If you own a Buick, Cadillac, or Chevrolet model from 2000 to 2013, chances are this harness will work perfectly with your setup. Whether you drive a Buick LaCrosse, a Chevrolet Corvette, or a Cadillac Escalade, this adapter is a great way to modernize your sound system without losing the convenience and features that come with your factory setup. Now, installation is a breeze. The GM2000SWF comes with everything you need to get your new stereo installed and running smoothly. The included wiring harness makes connecting your aftermarket radio a painless process, and the clear, easy-to-follow instructions mean you can have it done in no time, even if you're not a professional installer. If you're looking to upgrade your car's audio system without sacrificing the functionality of your factory features, the Scosche GM2000SWF is the perfect solution. It's a reliable, affordable, and efficient way to make your new stereo fit seamlessly into your GM vehicle. So, there you have it, the Scosche GM2000SWF Factory Stereo Replacement Interface Adapter. It's not just a simple wiring harness. It's an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance their car's audio experience while keeping all the factory features that matter. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another video. Until next time, happy driving and stay tuned for more great products.